Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a water supply O-ring in your dishwasher, you will need to uninstall the appliance. To do this, turn off the power to your dishwasher and shut off the water supply valve. Detach the lower access panel by lifting it up from the bottom. Use a 5/8" wrench or an adjustable wrench to help unthread the water supply line from the inlet valve elbow fitting. Be prepared for some water to spill. Next, use a Phillip head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the junction box cover. Then pull the cover off. Note the location of the wires, then untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the wires. Unthread the strain relief nut if applicable, and detach the strain relief from the junction box. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer and feed it through the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and remove the mounting bracket screws. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the legs to lower the appliance. Very carefully pull the dishwasher away from the cabinet. Now open the dishwasher door and pull the upper rack forward. Release the retaining tabs to remove the front stop clips from the support rails. Slide out the rack. If you're replacing the O-ring on the rear water supply tube, unthread the nut counterclockwise and remove it along with the guide. Undo the fasteners securing the insulation blanket. Pull the water supply tube away from the rear panel and remove the old O-ring. Install the new O-ring by sliding it onto the end of the water supply tube. Insert the tube into the rear panel and secure the insulation blanket. Realign the guide and thread the nut clockwise onto the tube to secure it. If you're replacing the O-ring on the air breather assembly, you will need to undo the fasteners to release the insulation. Unthread the nut securing the assembly to the side panel. Release the breather assembly and remove the O-ring. Slide the new O-ring on, then reposition the assembly on the side panel and thread the nut to secure. Reposition the insulation blanket and secure the fasteners. To replace the top sprayer nozzle O-ring, unthread the nozzle. Pull out the connector and remove the old O-ring. Slide on the new ring. Reposition the connector and thread the nozzle to secure. Realign the upper rack on the support rails. Replace the front stop clips. Make sure the end of the drain hose is accessible through the cabinet wall. Then gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Adjust the leveling legs if necessary. Replace the screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or disposer. Make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Fully position the wire strain relief in the junction box and secure the strain relief nut, if applicable. Connect the wires and secure them using the wire nuts. Realign the cover and replace the screw to secure. Reconnect the water supply line to the inlet valve elbow fitting. Realign the lower access panel and snap it into place. With the repair completed, turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and your dishwasher should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.